Namaskaram to everybody. We will start a new lesson today. The topic being parts of the body. We have learned signs for some parts of the body earlier. So now we will look at some more. Knee, pointing to the knee. Knee. Brain, inside the head. Brain. Skin. Skin. Chest. Chest. Elbow. Elbow. Heel. Heel. Hair. Hair. Palm, showing the lines. Palm. Shoulder. Shoulder. Arm, from shoulder to wrist. Arm. Let's practice now all the lessons that we have covered on parts of the body. Lesson number 44, lesson number 58, and this lesson number 68. So we will go over all the 30 signs now. Face. Hands. Legs. Mouth. Lips. Eyes. Tongue. Stomach. Head. Fingers. Feet. Foot. Toes. Chin. Cheeks. Neck. Teeth. Forehead. Eyebrows. Eyelashes. Thigh. Knee. Brain. Skin. Chest. Elbow. heel, hair, palm, shoulder, arm. Thank you all so very much for your cooperation and hard work in sharing and supporting this learning program. If you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to post your comments and share your feedback with us. We accept and we will be sure to support you in your learning objectives. Thank you. Bye-bye.